Welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting new custom visuals that were released yesterday, that is in the month of June. So let's dive right in and discover the fantastic features they bring to Power BI users. So in the latest release, like yesterday, they have told about various custom visuals like sunburst chart, right back grid, multi-line chart, and WC write service. Many custom visuals. Okay, more than 10 custom visuals, but few custom visuals are paid. Okay, and today I'm going to discuss about the unpaid, that is free custom visuals, which is released in this month. Okay, so our first custom visual is the horizontal bullet chart with label. So you can type here, so horizontal bullet chart with label. If you click here, you can see the custom visual. If you want to know how to use the custom visual, how to install and use the custom visual, you can find it in my previous video, which is updated in my playlist. So this is the one. Okay, that is a horizontal bullet chart with label. Okay, this visual takes inspiration from the horizontal bar chart and allows you to display multiple measures in a single visual. So its primary goal is to present significant information in a concise and easily understandable manner. You can render single or multiple values in a series and compare them against different targets. Additionally, the second label provides additional context and important details related to the other values. So you can see the example here. Okay, so you have a bullet chart and also some labels over here. So this is all about this particular custom visual. So you can see the pricing is free and how you can work it and everything related to this particular chart. And let me show you like how this bullet chart is working. Okay, so here you can see this is the bullet chart. Okay, so you can see here that this is the bullet chart where it is showing the labels as well. Okay, here you can see the bullet chart is really different than the existing bullet chart. Okay, so this is a sample with samples file which is provided to us by the custom visuals itself, so you can try it. So the custom visual will be available here. This is the horizontal bullet chart with a label. So they have given the data as well. So this is the horizontal bullet chart. So if you click here and if you see the more options about how to add and how to format this particular chart. So now let us go and explore the second chart. Okay, so that is the second chart, which is multi-line chart with tooltips. So you can type multi-line chart with tooltips. Okay, so this visual was developed to provide Power BI users with more options for comparing time series data. It offers a variety of features that enhance the analysis of your data. The card section displays your categories in a tabular format, allowing for easy comparison between two categories. So you can see here, this is the sample. The stick section provides quick calculation of year over year, month over month, year to date and month to date metrics. So here you can see all these things. Okay, so all about this particular thing, and this is a stick and everything which is given to us. So sorting, highlighting and filtering the categories is made intuitive and straightforward. With data labels, series labels and multiple measures as values, you gain deeper insights into your data and have more analysis options. This visual can be used to compare stock performance, financials or any type of data over time. So here this is also a sample data which I have downloaded in order to show you like how these data can be used. So here you can see more more things about this particular custom visual. Okay, and here you can see that we don't want to pay as of now. That is a basic version is free, and you can see more information about this particular custom visual. So last but not least, we have the data tellers bar of pi visual. So data teller bar of pi. Okay, so data tellers bar of a pi visual. So here you can see that how this bar of a pi visual is really looking. This visual is extremely handy as it allows you to shift a smaller slice of pie chart to a separate stacked bar chart, making it more area friendly and visually appealing. Okay, so here you can see how it is segregated further. Okay, so this is how exactly this particular custom visual will work. So first here you can see that the top end functionality, you can select the top slices to show in the main pie chart while the remaining elements are displayed in a stacked bar chart on the right hand side. Okay, so secondly, with the subgrouping functionality, so here you can see the subgrouping functionalities. You can add subcategories for each slice and by simply clicking on a slice. So if you simply clicking on a size, you can view its corresponding children. This visual also supports showing a default slice for the convenience. So here you can see how you can use this for the sample report as well. So how you can show this. Okay, so these three visuals you can find it. So this is the data teller bar of pi. Okay, from the pie chart you can create a small bar chart. So here you can see the other information regarding this particular custom visual. So these custom visuals bring tremendous value to your Power BI reports and dashboards, allowing for better data visualization and analysis. It's amazing to see the continuous innovation and improvement in Power BI's visual capabilities. So before we wrap up, it's important to note that these visuals may require access to external services or resources to provide their functionality. So few more custom visuals are also discussed in the Power BI update, in which few custom visuals will be work only with the Power BI services, and few visuals we have to pay in order to access that. And that concludes our Power BI June update highlighting the latest custom visuals. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring for your data analysis needs. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Power BI updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.